Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the phylum. Okay, they are phylum Porifera and phylum Coelenterata. First, we will see that what is the phylum Porifera. Members of this phylum are commonly known as sponges. Okay, they are generally marine and mostly asymmetrical animals. These are primitive multicellular animal, but they are functionally unicellular. Sponges have a water transport or canal system. Water enters through the minute pores called ostia in the body wall into the central cavity called spongocoel or paragastric cavity, from where it goes out through the osculum. This pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering. The respiratory exchange also is done through this. Phylum Porifera, they possess some special cells called choanocytes. They assist in digestion, they gather food and they are lined in the spongocoel. These choanocytes are called cola cells. The body is supported by fibers. Sexes are not separate, that means they are hermaphrodite. The fibers present in the body is called spicules. Okay, spicules or spongin fibers. Sponges reproduce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by formation of gametes. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect, having a larval stage which is morphologically distinct from the adult. And in gemation, a type of internal budding is also found in this case of sponges. Okay, we'll see that some of the diagrams of the sponges. See that some of the examples you have to learn. Phylum Porifera, that is of cycle, Euspongia and Spongilla. In that you understand that the Spongilla is a freshwater one and Euspongia is called bat sponge and second is the Scypha. Okay, these are the examples you have to learn. Okay, understand that this Phylum Porifera is multicellular structurally but functionally they are unicellular. Okay, so examples are Spongilla and cyclone, Spongilla and bat sponge. Second phylum is phylum Coelenterata. First of all, you understand that it is a diploplastic, aquatic, mostly marine and sessile or free swimming symmetrical animals, bilateral symmetry. In the case of sponges, it is asymmetry. The name, they are called cnidarians. Okay, some of the example you see that the Coelenterata indicating outline of their body, that is Aurelia and Medusa form, Adamsia, that is of polyp form. Let's see that. And this is a special cell. It is found only in the cnidarians, cnidoblast. Okay, it is hypnotoxin is present in that. It helps to capture the prey. And see that regarding this cnidoblast or cnidocytes, which contain the stinging capsule or nematocytes present in the tentacles and the body. Cnidoblasts are used for encourage, defense and for capture of prey. So what are the functions? Encourage means fixing, defense as well as for capturing the prey. Cnidarians exhibit tissue level of organization. They are diploblastic. Diploblastic means they possess only ectoderm and endoderm. They have a central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening that is called a hypostome. Digestion is extracellular and intracellular inside the body cavity as well as within the cell it is taking place. Some of the cnidarians are, the corals have a skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Okay, and cnidarians exhibit two basic body form, that is polyp and medusa. The former, that is the polyp, is sessile and cylindrical forms like in Hydra and Adamsia, whereas the latter is umbrella shaped and free swimming like that of in Aurelia or jellyfish. Those cnidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generation. Alternation of generation means the gametophytic generation alternate with the sporophytic generation. We have learned in the plants, but here also alternation of generation is there. Otherwise, it is called Metagenesis, that means polyps produce medusae asexually and medusa form polyps sexually. That is, example is Obelia. Some of the example you have to learn in this phylum is Physalia, that is a Portuguese man of war, Adamsia, that is sea anemone, and Peninsula, that is sea pen. Then Gorgonia, that is of Siphon, and Meantria, that is of brain coral. Meantrina, that is brain coral. And what is Siphon? Siphon is Gorgonia. All these are okay. Learn the characters well. Okay, bye. See you again. Okay, bye.